Now see, let's more examples. Use a or an as a suitable. Orange, O, that is vowel. So what will come here? A and N. Then umbrella, again U. So what will come here? A and N. Apple, A, again apple. So what will come? A and N apple. Then rabbit, so R as a consonant. So what will come here? A rabbit. Then bus, B-U-S, bus. So B is a consonant. So what will come? A bus. Then university. University. So U is there. U, and it pronounced as a vowel. So A and N will come. Then desk, D-E-S-K, desk. D is a consonant. So A will come. Same elephant, A-E-I-O-U, consonant. Sorry, vowel. So N will come. Ship, S, that is a consonant. So A will come. Lemon, L. So a lemon. Egg, E. So an egg. Then eraser, eraser, an eraser. Farmer, F. So A will come, a farmer. Then banana, it sounds like a consonant. So A banana. And igloo, I, it sounds like a vowel. So A and N will come. Now here is one story where we have to put A and N. Once upon time. So T is a consonant. So once upon a time there lived dash monkey. So M is there. So monkey is M is a consonant. So a monkey on oak tree. O, that is an vowel. So an oak tree. One day the monkey saw dash old man. O again. Again it sounds like a vowel. So an old man with dash bag. With B is there. So that is a consonant. So a bag, with a bag. The naughty monkey snatched the bag. Inside the bag was dash apple. A again. So an apple. What is there? An apple. Dash pear. P is a consonant. So a pear. Olive. O, that is an olive. And a carrot. It gave the apple to dash bear. So a bear. The pear to dash fox. Fox again F. So a fox. And kept the olive and carrot inside the bag. Then while the monkey slept, dash dog, again D, so a dog, found the carrot and stole it. Then the monkey left with only, again O, an olive to eat. So these types of stories also there. Children, along with this, today we will see the double and the single letter words, right? So double letter words I and A, only these two are the single letter word. Okay, I में सिर्फ एक ही I है और A में A. So these are the single letter words. Another double some words I have taken here. OX, ox. Why I am giving this? To increase your vocabulary. राइट अगर आपको ये सब देख के ही पता चलेगा कि यू पी अप, नो नीड टू रीड लाइक दिस यू एंड पी, सो यू कैन रीड इट प्रॉपरली. सो यू पी अप, हियर ओ एक्स ऑक्स, यू हैव टू रीड विथ मी. ए एन एन, यू एस अस, ए एम एम, जी ओ गो, एम ई मी, ओ एन एन, एच ई ही, आई टी इट, यू पी अप, my, my, no, no, do, do, if, if, or, by, by, we, V. S-O, so. A-T, at. A-S, B-E, B. I-S, is. T-O, to. Again we will see I and A. These are the single letter words. Double letter words, two words are here. Two letters are here, so it is called the double letter words. O-X, ox. A-N, an. U-S, us. H-E, he. O-N, on. M-E, me. G-O, go. A-M-M. I-T, it. U-P, up. M-Y, my. N-O, no. D-O, do. I-F, if. O-R, or. B-Y, by. W-E-V. S-O, so. A-T, at. A-S, as. B-E-B. I-S, is. And T-O, to. Now we will read in a one sound. I, A, ox, N, us, he, on, me, go, am, it, up, my, no, do, if, or, by, we, so, at, as, be, is, to. Right? All these things for what? To increase your vocabulary. Right? जब आप लोग read करोगे तो ये words देख के आपको बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा me, me. As soon as you see this word, you come to know that it is a me. So no need to read like this me, me. एकदम देख के आपको पता चलना चाहिए कि ये क्या लिखा हुआ है? me, me लिखा हुआ है. Now so many parents tell me that they have little bit problem in reading, so from today I have started this type of reading, so you have to read with me. So this is the reading practice. What is written here? I have a dice at home. I have a D-I-C-E dice at home. Dice એટલે કૂકી. તમે તે લૂડો રમો છો ને એમાં જે કૂકી આવે એને ડાઇસ કહેવાય. My brother SAW saw a deer. My brother saw a deer. Third one. I can SEEC the RAIN rain BOW bow rainbow. I can see the rainbow. Number 4. THERE there are 5 BATS bats. There are 5 bats. We play with the ball. Again, we PLAY play with the BALL ball. Then the bird is on the TREE tree. The bird is on the tree. Number 7. I MISS miss my OLD old school. मैं मेरी पुरानी स्कूल को क्या करता हूँ? बहुत याद करता हूँ, बहुत मिस करता हूँ उसको. I miss my old school. I love CAKE cake. I love cake. She READS reads UNDER under the tree. She reads under the tree. I have 2 SISTERS sisters. I have 2 sisters. Then the fish is blue. The fish is blue. 12. I see a SUPER super HERO hero. Superhero. Again SUPER super HERO hero. Superhero. I see a superhero. चिल्ड्रन ऐसे आपको हर दिन थोड़ा सा 5 सेंटेंस यू हैव टू रीड, सो यू विल गेट द नाइस प्रैक्टिस ऑफ रीडिंग एंड योर रीडिंग must be good. Okay, so till then, bye and have a nice day.